So good morning. So good morning, everybody. Good morning, everyone. How you doing? Good morning, everybody. Let's quickly give one or two persons 1 or 2 minutes for them to join us. As we wait for them to join us, let's share the live. Let's share the live on our status to our friends and family who would think would love to be here with us today. Let's share it. Let's share the live with our friends and family, or 1 or 2 persons they think would love to be here with us today. Let's share it. So, good morning, everybody. So, if you are joining us for the first time, we have live sections like this every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday, 7:45 a.m. Just use 30 to 45 minutes to analyze the market, share trading ideas, share experience, share our issues and problems, and find the best way to sort it out. So, as we are waiting for others to join us, I want you to type good morning in the comment section. GM, good morning in the comment section. Trading view refuse to open. Let's type good morning in the comment section. Jesus Christ. Just say I look younger. I'm a 70 years old man. Oh. I find it difficult to open my trading view. God, I beg. If I can't open my trading view, I have to go out and in on this class right now. Just choose. Okay, this is serious. Oh, these guys will not kill you. This is what happened to my hair. So it's my hair that is. You see what I like to hear. Someone said, "Sir, I've benefited from the NZD after your last live video here." You see why it's always good to join the live section. There are a lot of things to benefit. I know every day I might not be dropping analysis, but this the level of value we drop here every day is something that needs to be valued. Do you understand? Things needs to be valued. You understand? And my trading view is not open now. The devil is a liar. Because I will now have to I have to I have to log out. I have to leave here and probably restart the system. Yes, bro. I don't want to do that. You wait to. Is it that? It doesn't want to open on. Check my iPad. It's working here now. W working chance. Mm. Family, I might disappear for 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and I'll be back like very soon because I think I can't do anything if my trading view doesn't open like right now to delay us. So just give me like 5 seconds, I'll be back. So let's go to what we have for today. I'm back again, like I never left. I'm back again, like I never left. I'm back again, like I never left. So let's go. So far so good this week. Most times on Fridays like this, I like having review of what we have been doing in the market so far lately. You understand? I like having review. So in a short sentence in the comment section, I want you to tell me, is it that I'm having a problem, or tell me what your trading has been like this week. Has it been profitable? Have you been hitting missing entries? Have you been making losses? What could that problem be? Let us share in the comment section. As for me, this week, be it in the forex market, be it in crypto market, I have been extremely profitable. Yes, let me even check how many trades I took this week from both ends. Let me check how many trades I took this week. So tell me, how have your trading been like this week, so we can share. The purpose of this live is not about just coming to live and watch. It's about telling me, no, it's okay. Don't be ashamed. Don't be shy. Come to my table. Tell me how successful or how bad your training has been. It's okay. That's why it's the live section, so we can share ideas. You understand? See, good news. Somebody said he started the with Zone Master here yesterday and has made $100. Well, you see how happy he is to make $100. See, someone said he started yesterday and he has made $100. He has made $100. So tell me, what are the issues you have experienced so far in trading that you like me to address? Is it you don't know how to manage your risk properly? You don't know what to do, you are confused, you don't know where to enter. And okay, if you have been successful, give your testimony. It's okay. Like I said, me, as for me, I have been successful throughout this week. Like, like I've not had loss. In fact, from last week down to this week, I've not even had any loss. It has been profit upon profit. In fact, like I said, there was a pair I made profits, which you all here are aware of, that I made profit 4 times on that pair, the Forex pair. It's still a crypto pair that I've made profit from just yesterday. So I don't think it's just for me this weekend now. What you will be seeing in my post weekend is flexing, how I'm enjoying my life. That's what you will see. I will torment you. So I'm not here to oppress you. I'm just saying that I have to enjoy because it's only called profit when you withdraw. I will withdraw and I'll go and enjoy my life. We only have one life to live. What's with you guys and my hair now? 50% of you guys are complaining about why did I reduce my hair? I look old. I look young. Which one will I follow now with my haircut now? Yeah? People should leave my hair alone. No. So you all are welcome. So let's proceed. And so let me explain something about the Zoom Master here, yeah. Like I said, you might have the best strategy, but if you don't leave your old habits, two persons can be using the same strategy, one will be profitable and one will be not. You cannot be a gambler and still want to gamble with Zoom Master here trading Cato. You understand? You can't be a gambler and still want to continue gambling because you feel you have a strategy. I don't know if you guys are getting my point. Trading is also a psychological warfare. So you need to drop if you're the type that you're not disciplined, you are emotional, you need to let me open my trading and explain what I'm saying. You need to drop that part. If not, you will keep they might still give you the best strategy and you keep losing. If you're the type that okay, you jump into trade anytime, you cannot wait for your entries to come, you cannot calm down and trade. You get you can't calm down and trade. You will keep on doing the same mistake back to back to back. Let me explain something to you. If we are good to go, type good to go in the comment section. If we are good to go, type good to go in the comment section. If we are good to go, type good to go in the comment section. Let me explain something. How I made over 3,000 dollars. Type in the comment section 3K dollars, 3K dollars in the comment section. How I made over 3,000 dollars. Type 3,000 dollars in the comment section. I'm still on the trade though, if at all. How I made $3,000. Type $3,000 in the comment section. How I made $3,000 on just one pair. It's not about how many pairs you even trade. It's about how profitable can you be. One pair can change your life. One pair can change your week. One pair can change your story. Now explain how I did it. It's not even I don't even need to at some point I don't think I need to explain how I did because you all were here when I was doing it. 3K dollars in the commercial, 3K dollars, 3K dollars because this weekend I'm going to spend money and I will show you people and people will confirm it. I must visit the beach as usual. Find some kind of white, see some kind of white people. Do you understand? Something like that. Something like that. I'll say, let me even do something self. I'm still on the trade in case you think I'm still on that trade. This is it oh. Can you see blue? Can see blue, blue. It's almost like I was about $300 profit. I'm not done yet on this pair. I will show you. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's currently at 200 and something dollars, but I was always almost at $300 profit. I'll tell you how I did it. NZD USD was the game changer for me this week, and I dropped the analysis here. You see, on Wednesday or Monday, some people say they made profit from it that I've been following. And I'll explain how I did it with the Zone AI Indicator. Are we there? Let me explain it to you. It's not hard. Now, this is the NZD USD that I made profit from. So, this is what I did. So, the first time, this is how it all started. Start from here. Zone gave us this is on the so first of all, I checked the daily time frame. It was bullish. But before I do anything in the market, I like checking the market condition. So I checked the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame here. You can see the first bullish candle, second bullish candle, a retracement, and more bullish candle pumping. So this was exactly what I did. Then when I saw that there's a first bullish candle close, second bullish candle close, I picked my bias that I'm going for a long in this or a buy in this for this pair. Went to the 4 hour time frame. I saw that the 4 hour time this from this angle there was a pump, pump, pump. So it clearly showed me that the 4 hour time frame is bullish. So I used the 1 hour time frame to get my entry. In fact, to be honest, this was this was and then I used the 1 hour time frame to get my entry. Now you see that I didn't just enter the market anyhow or out of emotions. I need you to understand that each of the time frame, these things you're seeing up here are not for view only or just for you to look at it. They have their usefulness from the so let me explain something. See this guy, this daily time frame is the final boss in trading, is the big boss in trading. Are we there? Is the big boss in trading. This daily, this D you are seeing here, if you don't know how to use this D daily, the boss, you will get burnt on a steady. If you do not use this D you're seeing here, because some of you once you open your chart is how you fly to 1 minute or 5 minutes time frame. If you do that, you will get burnt. You will end up in premium tiers. You will go back to your village and your village people will after you. So this D is D because it's called direction. Type D for direction. D for direction. Type it. D for direction. That's why it's called D. That's why it's called D. D is for direction. D is for direction. So if you not use the D, you will be safe. So that why if you notice, I said before I took this trade, I went to the daily time frame, which I just showed you. Check if they are bull, if the candles are bullish. Is there a bullish candle? Is there a first bullish candle, a second bullish candle? Did it close properly? If it did, then we are good to go. So This day now show me that okay, the current direction of the market is bullish. What do I need to do next? I now went to my 1 hour time frame, which is here, to get an entry. So before you send me any setup, first of all, no, I always tell you guys that if you're my community, it's okay for you to share setup with me. I'm fine. I don't have issue with that. But before you share me any setup first, I want you to tell me the bias of the market by showing me the daily time frame and what the daily time frame is saying. Do you understand? So when I got my daily time frame that is showing that the direction is bullish, I went to 1 hour time frame to pick an entry. Now this was initial entry around here. Zomaster gave me an initial entry, and you know Zomaster move with structure. Give me a buy around here. Yes, which you all saw. Around 5944 was the first buy. Yes, this is where I start making money from this pair, NZUSD. You put a year now, the videos you replace there, there's nothing to hide, they replace there. I analyze this pair perfectly for you all. So the market pumped from here, and initially this place here, this place here on Zomaster was take profit one. Yeah, that I do that. So when the market pumped from year to year, I made at least 1K dollars here because it broke above. Let me draw it complete. I'm still even using my head to analyze this coin because I cannot forget the move. I cannot forget the move on this pair. You know, I told you Zomaster AI indicator shows us entry at 3 times and restructures at. So this was how it was initially. Okay, I have shown you the chart, but how will I do like this now? This was how it was initially. This was the initial entry Zomaster AI was giving from year to year. Then after it broke above, it retraced. So when doing this retest, I said, okay, if we retest, Zomaster gave us an entry around here. And then we retest. Out of yesterday, the entry was still here because it gave the entry stick. It still came back here. So I said, after the retest, you guys can enter from here, which everybody did, and they entered and massive profit already. Came back this same entry again, massive profit. Came back this was my first food. I ate the food here well, 1K dollars. At this move, another 1K dollars. At this move, I made above 1K dollars. I was even sharing the setup with you. I was locking profit. Currently now I am here, which I showed you on my phone. Currently now I am here from here to here. If I want to close with this $300 now that I'm currently on, I can close and I'll be happy. This is it. Currently now I am here, which I showed you. Oh, currently now I am here. This is it. This is it. NZDUSD. You can see I'm in profit currently now. I can close here and be happy if I want. I've made a lot of profit. This one is just to enjoy this one is just for the weekend, if at all. Do you understand? Do you understand? This one is just for the weekend. So let's continue. So can you count how many times it came back? And this was something I shared. This is the first time it touched here, pumped profit one, second time profit two, third time. In fact, here was take profit, not entry. It's because now that it's because it's clearly saying here is a short because of how it has been reacting each time you get close to this entry. But that's not. But on the 4 hour time frame now, you can see that it's a clear short on the 4 hour time frame. Got here and it dumped. But in 1 hour time frame is a little bit further away. That's like at 0.19. But on the 4 hour time frame, the short is closer. A clear short is proven here. Do you understand? A clear short. But on the 1 hour time frame, it didn't really get close to that entry. But you can see that this is the take profit giving entry for a short, stop loss. This is exactly how Zomaster does its thing. It gives you entry, stop loss, and take profit in real time. You understand? I'm still even expecting this pair to go up a little bit or come back down. But this is what Zomaster does. It prevents you from entering or guessing at the middle. You can see the way me I picked my entry at the entry point it initially gave to us, which you all were aware of. This is the guardian angel that you have been missing out on. I'm no longer gambling. I'm no longer chasing prices. I wait for peers to come to the entry. I wait for peers to do his thing before I take my entry. You understand? Even in the crypto market, I made money. Once you have a strategy that works, every market, you can make money from it. You can see I dropped this pair too. You can see it's still very active. You can see Zomaster on the 1 hour time frame gave us an entry at 9.7, 9.5, and you can see it pumped straight up to TP. You can see it pumped straight up. So I made profit from this. Let me show you again. Should I be showing you evidence every time? Evidence choke. I posted this, and I also dropped this in my VIP signal group. It pumped from 9.5. That was where we picked our entry from. It was like it was at 9.7 and pumped straight to 12. From $9, the coin on the crypto market pumped straight to $12. Now you can see that with Zomaster AI Trade Indicator, I've been able to analyze the crypto market. I've been able to analyze the forex market without stress. I've been able to make profit from the crypto market. I've been able to make profit from the forex market. So this makes you versatile because I said if you have a good strategy that works, you don't need to stress your brain again. Just apply it. Trading is about repetition, doing the right thing over and over again. Trust me, there'll be good days and there'll be bad days. I'm not saying that I don't have bad. Like I said, I told you that for 2 weeks now, if you have been following me, I have not had any loss. Both in my VIP channel and my signal group, we haven't had any loss for 2 weeks. But if you watch my trading pattern, you see there's a pattern in this is just like in that NZUSD. This is proper breakout and retrace now. This was the breakout. This was the resistance zone. See how Master is so sweet and giving you clarity in the market. This was a resistance on this pair, on this coin. You understand? You can see that this was resistance. It was touching here, coming down, touching here, coming down. But at this point, it broke out. Then Zomaster gave us an entry at the retest, and structure continues. That was where we entered from when we saw that Zomaster has given us an entry at the retest, and we put up our entry. He gave us the stop loss, and these are take profit. And you can see as it tapped the entry straight to take profits. Are we there? So this is what Zomaster AI Indicator does. There's nothing, no, it's not, there's nothing, you don't need to overthink it. It does the analysis for you. It does the analysis for you. It does the analysis. So all you just need to do now, let's assume that it gave you these figures like this. All you need to do is to carry your entry to your broker or to your trading app or your trading wallet or your Binance, Bybit, or anywhere you trade, or your MT4. Input these values there and go to your work. So imagine now you woke up in the morning and this is one of your peers. Yeah, this was one of your peers. Then you saw an entry at 9.7, saw take profit at $12 and stop loss at it. So if you're a 9 to 5 worker, yeah, it saves you time and stress. You can just go to your MT4. Okay, Zomaster has given me an entry at 9.7, 9.5. You just go to MT4, pick your phone. Zomaster entry 9.7. You put your limit order 9.7. You put a buy limit order 9.7. Stop loss 9.0. Take profit 12. Set the trade. Drop your phone and go and do your work. Once you can just come and be seeing what is going on in the market, and that's fine. As a trader, you need to just be checking what's going on. That way, you have to have an active community to see what's going on in the market. Do you know why this is not? Do you know why Zomaster AI Indicator is better than any other indicator in the world? It's because it's not those useless boats that doesn't even know. Like now, this is now two heads joined together. You understand? You're the one executing a trade. Zoom Master is the one doing the analysis. It makes everything. Not those useless bots you're using up and down that doesn't even know when there's news, that doesn't even know when the market is not good. You as an human being, being a human, watching what's going in the market, checking the news, you will know that okay, oh, well, this period is not good. Donald Trump wants to put tariff, this and that. You can just avoid the market. You get and come back another time. Zoom Master is not running. It's just here to analyze the market every time. But if you have those boats, those useless boats up and down, you see that even when the market is not good, even when there's tariff, you just be trading and you'll be losing fun anyhow. Many I've not seen anybody that came back and give good testimony about a trading boat before. I've not seen anybody. But this is now why this is so unique is that you know it's it's a trading strategy and a trading plan. There's a time that if I just look at anything chart, all what I see is support and resistance, demand and supply, how to enter a market. Just my without even zoom matter. So you can see how it gave us entry here, take profit and stop loss on the 1 hour time frame. People ask me, Credo Pastor, why are you always using 1 hour time frame? Why are you so sticking on the 4 hour time frame? I do this because I'm a swing trader. I've used 15 minutes time frame, I've used 30 minutes time frame, I've used 5 minutes time frame, I've used 1 minute time frame. But trust me, I've used all those time frame and I can tell you with my life on it that the 1 hour above is the best. Though, like I said, you won't trade much, but you'll be very profitable. Like this week now, I've had like only 3 to 4 trades. NZD, USD. I've traded that one like 4 times. Normal number. Only that one self is 4 times I've traded that one. As you can see now, after the first food we have eaten, even the one you put ate with me, I'm still eating it again. Then I traded River USDT. Then let me check which pair I traded again. Let me check which pair I've traded again. River, NZD, US. NZD self, he don't even allow me to focus on other coin, other pairs. Because I'm on the live section. Somebody is still sharing me chat. What kind of wicked people are these now? Omo. I'm trying to scroll through my week. Okay. Then I also took Euro GPP. I took Euro GPP this week on Monday. On Monday, I took no. So on Monday, this was what happened. Last week, Friday, I dropped on the group GPP JPY. I dropped GPP JPY on the group on last week, Friday, and it played out straight to take profit one. You all saw it. I dropped the screenshot when it was at entry. This was, I don't know. Let me remove. On Monday, I'm just showing you my chart. This was GPP. This was GBP JPY. Oh God. Guys, this was my analysis on GBP JPY on Monday and it played out. Everybody saw it on the platform. I guess you guys saw it. Then next trade I took was NZD USD. I made profit from that one like 4 times. Then I also took Euro GPP. I also took River. I took that is about a crypto. I made profit from a crypto coin, River, and I made profit from 3 forex pairs. So both in the crypto market and the forex market, I conquered, and there's nothing you can do about it. I conquered. I conquered, and there's nothing you can do about it because I have a plan. See, so what is showing me Zomaster? I'm with you guys live. Oh, see, the person is the person is saying that how about this trade? I'm alive with you guys. Oh, and he's telling me I should go and check a trade. Okay, let's check. It's actually on gold, but it is already Friday. That's a dicey one. So it's already Friday. Like that, like do I like trading gold on Fridays? That's a dicey one. Lately, I've not traded gold lately. I don't know why. I've been distracted with other peers. Because gold has just been consolidating. I don't like it. But let's look at what happens to let's what the gold has been doing. This is what I don't like about gold for currently. But let me analyze gold. Let me analyze gold. Let me have analysis on gold. Let me share my screen. Because your own have expired, that's why I'm saying that. So let's do some analysis on gold. Those already like mm, so this is gold on the 30 minutes time frame. This is gold on the 30 minutes time frame. Gold is bearish. Because I checked the daily on gold. This is an indecisive candle. Mm, I can see a huge sell here. Then a pump. Hmm. Bullish retracement gauge. Oh, I don't think they sell. I don't think they sell is advisable on gold. If you look at what's going on in gold on daily time frame, you see that to sell gold currently is not advisable, but you can sell in the short run. This is what is going on. Gold has not broken the structure or trend on the daily time frame. This is it now. It's bullish. You can see the bullish candle close, close, a little bit of retracement, then continuation. Gold is bullish, but it is already Friday, so what can we do? But inside a bullish, inside a bullish, let's check the 4 hour. So I think I would prefer to long gold than to short gold because it keeps breaking. You understand? I just showed you my reason now. This is gold. You see, I was right at some point, but anything can happen. Now, this was what had been happening on gold. You see why I like the higher time frame is that it shows you a level of clarity in the market and keeps you safe. You can see currently now there is no resistance above gold yet. on the higher time frame. You will see that in the lower time frame now, in the 1 hour, you see resistance. You can see what gold has been doing lately, you know, from here to take profit, from here back to take profit. You can take advantage for a quick shot from here, but you have to be very careful because this year that that is take profit is now an entry for a buy in the 4 hour time frame. So this is what is happening in the market currently, but gold still remains bullish. See an entry for a short. You can see that it's reacting. You can see the it's reacting to this on the 1 hour time frame. See, it's reacting to this on the 1 hour time frame. You can see the entry Joe Master has given here. So today is already Friday. There's high chances we see gold doing something like this and going back up. For me, I'll prefer a buy. I need to see gold coming to this position. Let me tell you why. I want gold to come here for a buy, if at all. Now, if you look closely at this chart, you can see each time gold gets this position initially before it dumps, gets to this position, it dumps, gets here, it dumps. Then this place was now a resistance. It was now a very strong, this zone was now a very strong resistance that gold has been holding. Then all of a sudden, gold now broke above the resistance and tested this zone, broke above, tested this zone and started pumping. That was when you see Zone Master giving us an entry at, you know, at this position here. Why you see that there is no resistance here is that it's yet to confirm. There's no take profit here because Zone Master is yet to confirm that okay, there's a clear resistance here because this was the former resistance. It broke out to retest this. So therefore, this resistance has turned to support. You can see that it tapped this place, go back up, keep on tapping here, and so now we need to see gold come to this entry and go back up. So if you even short gold from here initially, that was the resistance Zone Master gave down here, massive profit. You long from here up to this, massive profit. You see what the clarity Zone Master AI indicator is giving in the market, right? Why there's no stop take profit and like others here is because it's absolutely clear that here is still building a structure for us to know okay what's really going to happen next. That's why I like Zone Master. It doesn't just jump into conclusion. It makes sure that there's a clear story behind any structure. So this is a pure consolidation and ranging market. So it's a dicey one here. That's why I see I would prefer to wait full time for it to come back here. But on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that it has been just been ranging, giving a little bit short and long, short and long. You understand? So that's that on gold for you. So if you have any question, you can ask me briefly if you have any question. You can ask me briefly if you have any question. You can ask me any question if you have any question briefly. If you want to steal my profit, you can ask me any question if you have any question briefly. So you see why Zoom Master AI indicator is a real deal. You see why Zoom Master AI indicator is a real deal. So if you have not had access to Zoom Master AI indicator, this is your chance to get access to it. You understand? You see Zoom Master no, your this have expired. You have expired. Your sub have expired. What's it? How do you confirm entries? 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 So I just did that now. I start I start Yeah, BTC is good for a long at 66K. So why I confirm my entry that first I have to go to look at the direction of the market. Where is the market going to? Where is the market going to? Where is the market heading to? Where is the market heading to? You check the direction of the market, you check the 4 hour if it's in alignment, then use 1 hour for entry. It's as easy as that. I don't know more than that. So from there, that's how I confirm my direction and where I want to enter from. And I already have Zone Master that does the work for me, that shows me my entry, my stop loss, and take profit. So why do I have to overthink it? Am I smarter than Zone Master? No. Am I smart? Your sub was a 1 month sub. So am I smarter than Zone Master? No. You understand? So that's it. So if you want access to Zone Master, I just want to briefly show you exactly how our trade has been over the week. I also want to open your eyes more on Zone Master. So we continue on our topic next week. So you all are welcome, and I believe you all have enjoyed today's section. So let's keep doing what we have to do every day, and God bless us all. So chat me my DM if you need access to Zone Master, and I'll do the needful. Have a wonderful day.